let's talk about another one of our superfoods. So we've done cinnamon, ginger, cayenne. I'm going to add the cayenne to the tea. Hemp hearts, and our fifth superfood is broccoli. So I also added lemon in. See, we can't not talk about it. Lemon and walnuts. These are all like superfoods. But broccoli, Dr. Kerr is going to show you a quick, easy way of making broccoli taste delicious. And broccoli and the broccoli family foods, the Brachiaceae family, which is like Brussels sprouts, cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower. These are incredibly potent medicine-like foods, especially for hormones and hormone detoxification. So take it away, Kara.
All right. So what I have here is some broccoli that I'm just chopping up here. And I put on my stove, and all I'm going to do, this is such an easy recipe, that's why we chose this one for today, is I have grapeseed oil, because we do not want people to heat a pan up with olive oil at high heat, because olive oil goes bad at high heat, so you can put it on at the end. But I'm using grapeseed. Avocado is another favorite. I have a ceramic pan here. It's not coated with Teflon or something like that. So you put the oil in first. As the oil's heating up, I have some crushed red pepper. So Hillary has the cayenne there, but crushed red pepper actually works for this recipe a little better. So you just put a little bit of the crushed red pepper, and the medicine and the heating, circulating ingredients start to come out. So that's kind of good in the oil, so the oil can kind of coat the broccoli. All you do is put the broccoli in, and you're just gonna stir it. It's gonna cook. I like to put a little salt, so I have some Himalayan pink salt, just a little bit. And the last thing is that other superfood, just some lemon juice. And you kind of want to wait to add the lemon juice till the end, but you don't want to overcook your broccoli. You just want that really hot pan. And flip these over. So it's got black. Yeah, it's got black. These ceramic pans are so good at blackening things. I really like it. It's just really fast to do it. Okay.
It's nice when you caramelize these foods a little bit, when you cook them at high heat. They're great foods. I'm just turning down my tea. My tea is smelling delicious, by the way, the cinnamon and the ginger. But when you cook these foods at high heat, they tend to kind of caramelize and sweeten, and they become a little bit easier for absorption. The lemon in this recipe, we like adding it at the end because lemon always acts as a digestive aid. It lowers the pH. The acid in it in the stomach has an effect where it helps to lower the pH and help absorption. These broccoli and these cruciferous / Brachiaceae family, they kind of are interchangeable. They have a ton of minerals and vitamins in them, but we want them to be absorbed. So it's adding an acid can really help that absorption. So that's why the lemon is so effective. The lemon also that we use in the tea, what it does is it too helps in the tea with absorption, helps in the gut. We love it in the morning, doing this hot lemon water in the morning. Many people just drink hot lemon water alone, or in detoxes, lemon and cayenne have been used for a long time in detoxes. We add the ginger and the cinnamon to ours because we want those added reproductive benefits. But lemon has a really nice effect on the digestive tract, where it just helps kind of get the liver and the gut working well together to help.
That's good, right?
Wait, that was so fast.
That was it. Because the pan is so hot.
So you cook it, I would cook it a little longer probably, because for me, eating broccoli on the more raw side is harder on my stomach. I like it a little bit more cooked. So you can totally vary it. And I'm usually cooking vegetables for my kids, and my kids tend to like them cooked a little bit more.
I like them a little crunchy, so we go with that.
I like better like that than mine. Mine like them a little sweeter. But let's talk about what broccoli does for hormones. It is a potent hormone detoxifier, especially estrogens. And we have find with a lot of our fertility patients that they need a little bit of hormone balancing, which is a huge reason why we promote a 30-day pre-pregnancy detox before pregnancy and in the start of your journey, fertility journey, to just kind of help to balance out the hormones, to reduce there's a lot of estrogens out in the world with plastics and with non-organic meat
And
makeups that break down to estrogen. So we want to have a lot of these foods in our diet that help naturally metabolize the estrogen and help detoxify and clear it from your body. And that's what this family of foods is excellent for.